paper shoes and rusty pants. I'm sitting in the shed with the chainsaw and shit like that. I got a lot to do, so many odd jobs, perforated picnic table, smorgasbord. So get that hammer, print that PDF. I got no questions, got no money left. I need this to work, 'cause I need to be paid. I got some old-timey gravestones out on layaway. Yes, I do.
Very good.
Turpentine necktie and a sawdust hat. I'm sitting in the shed with the chainsaw and shit like that.
Made it to the path.